Supreme Manufacturing is proud to introduce their new 8-yard computer-controlled floating clamshell dredge. For those operators who need the versatility and cost-effective features of their 10-yard dredge, but whose deposit may be smaller and located in a more confined space, Supreme Manufacturing offers their 8-yard modular dredge. Although it is built smaller, it is designed and manufactured to the same exacting standards of quality as all of Supreme Manufacturing's products. Being modular in design, this dredge can be delivered by conventional means and allows for quick setup or relocation. The Supreme Manufacturing 8-yard modular dredge features an Ace Engineering 20-ton hoist crane and carries the Supreme self-contained electric-hydraulic 8 cubic yard clamshell bucket. This dredge boasts a digging depth of 200 feet. The Supreme Manufacturing dredge is designed so that one person can handle the entire operation using the computerized equipment on board. This dramatically reduces the number of man-hours required to get the job done. Plus, materials don't have to sit in spoil piles for extended periods of time waiting to dry before they can be loaded into transport trucks to be taken for processing. Instead, dewatering screens help get the material ready to be deposited onto the conveyors and delivered directly to your plant or to be loaded on haul trucks. The raw material is dumped onto a dump grizzly where oversized rocks can either be discarded back into the water or into a rock barge. A rock crusher can be added on board the dredge as well. Crushing hastens the drying process, further cutting down on total processing time. The Supreme Dredge's impressive digging depth means that you leave much less material behind, making far more efficient use of your acreage. Why leave behind hundreds of thousands of tons of precious profit when you can have it all with the Supreme Manufacturing dredge? From an environmental perspective, the Supreme Dredge presents substantial benefits as well. Because you recover so much more material per acre than with other methods, you in turn disturb far fewer acres in order to end up with your desired volume. When it's necessary to reposition the dredge, winches on all 4 corners simply pull it into a new position and you start your process all over again. The dredge and its accompanying conveyors can be powered either using generators or a commercial source. Supreme is also proud to be able to say that theirs is the first all-American designed and built clamshell design dredge ever made. And because the Supreme Dredge is built by producers for producers, you can rest assured that they know what works best in a given application. Supreme Manufacturing's 8-yard modular clamshell dredge. Modular for ease of shipping, setup, and relocating. Generator or commercial power source. One-man computerized operation. Dewatering screens. 200 feet digging depth. American designed and built. That's Supreme Manufacturing.